Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this here is a quick little video of my PID and solid state relay system. So you see there, this is my PID. I've got it set here to 150 degrees, and this is the current temperature coming from the thermocouple. I'll show you that in just a second. You see this little green light that keeps coming on? That's firing on the solid state relay, and if you look in there when it comes on next, there you go, you can see that light. So that's sending out current over to my stainless steel RIMS system, which I bought from Bobby M. at Blue Hardware. You see this kind of a ghetto box right now. I just put it together to test out all these pieces and parts. Try to make it a little better later. Basically it has two switches. This switches on the pump, which you hear running in the background, and this switches on the PID and the electricity that goes out to the RIMS system. The way the pump works is it's set up here with this circuit breaker. On the back side of this, I'll move around real quick, you see that I've installed a breaker here, 10 amp breaker, and I've got some wires that I need to tidy up and get a wire clamp there, but we'll get that done at some point. Now, for the RIMS system, we'll go up underneath my stand a little bit. On this end of it, you can see that I've got a thermocouple going into there, and then that goes into the back, and that tells the PID what the temperature of the wart is. It's going through that stainless steel tube there. On the other end, you can see the electrical end, which has inside there a fold-back water heater element, which turns on and off based on what this guy's telling him. Like it's turned on right now, turned right off, and that keeps heating my wort as it flows through there, and then it goes back and forth into my big old mash tun, my stout kettle. And if we go around front, what we'll see on the stout is that temperature is holding right at 150 degrees, which I've never had that temperature gauge do that before, because before having this RIMS system, what I had happen with my system is that you would get this layering effect, this graduation, where it would be hot at one point and cooler, and that guy was always reading about 6 degrees low, so that meant that I did not have a uniform temperature throughout my pot. Now, thanks to this nice RIMS system and a little building on my part and a whole lot of help from reading Homebrew Talk, I got a nice recirculating mash system that I'm very happy with. This is a trial run. Things have gone pretty smooth. My breaker tripped once or twice. Probably replace that with a 15 amp breaker at some point, but I put 10 on there because, well, to tell you the truth, I was nervous that I was going to draw too much power and I didn't want to burn anything up. Looks like needs a little more juice in order to operate. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and cheers, and relax. Don't worry. Have a homebrew.